They say that only God can create something that we humans can't believe. Well, maybe he's not the only one. The universe is full of things that sound fake, but are 100% real. And today we re-gone. Tell you about the top 5 space facts that sound totally fake, but are UND number 5. There's a planet made of diamonds. Forget that old saying about diamonds being a girl's best friend. This one might just be a guy's best friend too. In 2006, scientists found an extremely carbon-rich exoplanet that they nicknamed the Diamond Planet. Located 40 light-years away in the constellation Cancer, this exoplanet called 55 Cancri is believed to be 1/3 diamond. How did they figure this out? Well, it all has to do with the way this planet reflects light from its star. Scientists were able to determine that it was mostly made up of carbon. But how exactly does carbon become a diamond? Well, it all has to do with pressure. According to NASA, the extreme pressures on this planet cause the carbon atoms to bond together in the same way that they do inside of diamonds. So if you like your jewelry with a little extra sparkle, then 55 Cancri is the place to get it. No. 4. A day on Venus is longer than its year. Venus, the planet that's hot. Not just in name, but also in the sense that it's extremely hot. With its thick atmosphere and distance from the sun, you would think that Venus would have a pretty normal day. You would be wrong. According to NASA, it takes Venus 243 Earth days to rotate one time on its axis. That means that a day on Venus is longer than its year. Yes, a Venusian year is only 225 Earth days long, so it's possible to experience more than one Venus year in a single Earth year. Now that's some serious planetary weirdness. No. 3. Neutron stars can spin 700 times per second. Imagine you're standing next to a massive star that suddenly goes supernova. The star collapses in on itself and forms an incredibly dense neutron star. These objects can be several times more massive than our sun, but can be as small as just 10 miles across. All that mass creates an extremely powerful magnetic field, and when it's combined with the rotation of the star, it can create an incredible sight. These rapidly spinning stars, known as pulsars, can spin up to 700 times per second. To put that into perspective, a typical kitchen blender spins at about 200 times per second. So if you ever find yourself next to a pulsar, don't try to blend a margarita. Instead, run away very fast. No. 2. There's a massive alcohol cloud in space. If you love a good space mystery, then this one's for you. Back in 2007, scientists discovered a massive cloud of alcohol in space. It was found in a giant molecular cloud located 400 light-years from Earth. And it's not just any old alcohol cloud. We're talking about a cloud that contains enough alcohol to make 400 trillion pints of beer. That's enough beer to fill up 186 million standard-sized tanks. But don't go expecting a cosmic bar anytime soon. According to the scientists who discovered the cloud, it will take billions of years for the alcohol to condense into a liquid form. So, for now, it's probably best to stick to water. No. 1. Space smells like seared steak and welding fumes. If you've ever had the opportunity to go into space, you might have noticed that it smells like burnt metal or steak. Astronauts who have taken a stroll outside of their spacecraft have often compared the smell of space to these earthly delights. But why does space smell like food and metal? According to Scientific American, the smell is caused by high-energy particles that bombard astronauts' spacesuits when these particles hit the surface of the suit, they cause the molecules in the air to break apart and form new molecules. And guess what? Those new molecules happen to smell like burnt metal and steak. So, if you're planning on taking a trip to space, make sure to pack your astronaut nose plugs. We hope you enjoyed learning about the top 5 space facts that sound fake but aren't. Don't forget to subscribe so you can keep learning more about the amazing world around us. Until next time, keep looking up and keep believing in the impossible. One day we might find out that the universe is even weirder and more wonderful than we ever imagined. Thanks for watching.